tornado roared through the area, uprooting trees and destroying homes in its path, leaving a trail of devastation behind.
哎呀，真擎天柱，完了，垃圾全扫走了，你看。
Gede, gede, gede, gede. Awas! Awas!
The floodwaters rose quickly, submerging roads, homes, and crops, displacing many people in the affected areas. The mountain cracked, causing a huge rock slide that blocked the valley. The landslide struck suddenly, sending rocks and soil tumbling down, completely burying the car under a mass of debris. The storm surge swept in, flooding coastal areas and washing away buildings and vehicles. The tornado touched down, tearing through the area and destroying everything in its path. Heavy rains caused the mountain rivers to overflow, sending a powerful flood down the slopes. It destroyed homes, submerged roads, and wiped out farmland. The ground shook violently, buildings collapsed, and people ran for safety as the earthquake caused widespread destruction. The flood from the reservoir overflowed, inundating nearby villages, destroying homes, and leaving people stranded in rising waters. The floodwaters rose quickly, washing away the bridge and cutting off access to nearby areas. A landslide from the mountain sent rocks and debris tumbling down, blocking roads and burying anything in its path. powerful flow of water swept through, completely destroying homes and leaving nothing but debris behind. Water flooded into the mall, damaging shops, merchandise, and causing widespread destruction inside. The river overflowed, spilling water into nearby areas and flooding the surrounding land. The thunderstorm struck with fierce winds and heavy rain, causing power outages and damaging trees and buildings. Floodwaters entered the city, submerging streets, buildings, and causing widespread chaos and damage.
Get it. Oh, go down there, Ken. Not go down there, Ken. Get up here. No. Watch out.
Get up here.
The floodwater cascaded down from the mountain, flooding the valley below and damaging everything in its path. The tornado formed quickly, swirling with intense force as it moved across the land, uprooting trees, destroying buildings, and leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. People scrambled to find shelter as it tore through the area, causing widespread destruction.
哎呀，你看着，就天热，哎呀呀呀！哎呀，这晴天热，完了垃圾全扫走了，你看。
The tornado touched down with fierce winds, destroying buildings, uprooting trees, and leaving widespread damage in its wake.
I think that's the start of a tornado.
I think it is too.
That is.
That is.
Mm-hmm.
We got a
Tornado!
tornado.
Yukarıdan gelenlere bak. Yukarıdan gelenlere bak. Hadi.
Aa geliyor ha. Şeyde geliyor.
Ver hep gitti ya.
Ha dayı yavaş lan. Nereye gidiyorsun lan? Nereye gidiyorsun?
O gitti. O şeye
O da
kadar
vurmuş
gitti.
ha. Onu da vurmuşlar.
O şeye kadar gitti. Aha o da gitti. O da gitti.
A massive fire broke out in the forest, rapidly spreading and burning trees, wildlife, and threatening nearby homes.
Güle güle.
Vay gitti dayı o da gitti. Geri anam gelenlere bak. Abo suya bak. Avlunu içeriye al. Avlunu içeriye al. İçeriye.
Geliyor. Havlıyor. Yunus içeri çek havluyu.
Abo.
Arabalar perişan oldu.
Beyler. Dükkana bile. Arabaya
A sudden drop in air pressure caused violent storms, strong winds, and rapid changes in weather, leading to widespread damage.
听这声音不对，哎呦！
哎，这够用。
The ground shook violently, buildings collapsed, and people ran for safety as the earthquake caused widespread destruction.
Oh my gosh!
The floodwaters engulfed the area, completely destroying homes and leaving families displaced. A sudden drop in air pressure triggered violent storms, damaging buildings, uprooting trees, and causing widespread destruction. Objects fell from the building, crashing to the ground and creating chaos in the surrounding area. The house was swept away by the flood, collapsing into the rising waters and leaving behind only debris. The dangerous tornado rapidly formed, spinning with incredible force as it tore through the region. It uprooted trees, ripped apart homes, and destroyed entire neighborhoods, leaving behind a trail of wreckage and chaos. People were left in shock as it passed, with the damage spreading for miles.
Il y a un panneau, là, attention, hein. C'est un panneau de température.
Mais ça vient juste.
The sky turned a deep red as unusual weather conditions set in, with intense heat, swirling winds, and a sense of impending danger hanging in the air. The dangerous tornado touched down with fierce winds, destroying buildings, uprooting trees, and causing massive damage as it moved across the area. People scrambled for safety as it left a path of devastation behind.
Oh, you can feel the heat.
Not zoomed in.
Holy this is crazy.
The bridge collapsed in the center as the river's strong current eroded its foundation, causing a major disruption and blocking the way for travelers. Floodwaters surged into the mall, damaging stores, electronics, and merchandise, while leaving the entire shopping center submerged.
It's pretty big. It's doing its I think it's hitting a field right now, and I think it might hit the town. Ryan, this is freaky, man.
The earthquake struck suddenly, shaking buildings, cracking roads, and causing widespread panic and destruction.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! Look at this run! Oh! Oh my God! Holy! Shit!